So in this financial, if you can observe this is the financial table along with the table column information. And I will just try to go to the data view and try to cross check how the data looks like. So which is having 700 records. And these are the columns that are being fetched from that Excel path, right? Fine. Last view, we can call it as a model view. So here only we will try to build the connections, like relationship we can try to project it. As of now, we have connected with one table. Suppose if you have connected with multiple tables, what we will do? We'll just try to build some relationships here. So fine. I'll just try to project one quick visualizations by using this data set. Just try to see here. Just try to drag and drop and we can get the numbers, the visualization numbers. I'll just try to convert it as a card. Making as a duplicate of this. To my customer, I want to project it total sales, total price which I have derived recently, and along with that profit information. And last one, maybe I'm interested in the unit sold. So these are the cards I have defined. Let's try to align these cards in a proper way. Go to the format, align distribution. Fine. Maybe based on the categories, I will just try to explore one more visualization based on the country wise, my total price, which I have declared recently. Okay. And along with that, I'll just try to explore one more visual. This is based on, instead of country, right? We'll just try to represent some other based on the product price, my total price. So see here, if you can observe this, there is an interaction. Suppose if you want to check on the particular product, Fasio, the sales, total price, profit, and units sold, the information has been interacted, and I can easily take my business decisions once the report has been published into the services. That is a cloud-based environment. As I said, right? This is assumed that this is one of the report. I want to publish this report. I want to provide an access to the customer. So what we will do, we'll try to make use of this publish button, which is navigate, and we will try to publish into the services environment. And from there, the customers, they can try to check these visualizations and they can try to view these visuals. They can take their business decisions accordingly. That's what the main motto of this tool. Okay, fine. I'll just try to showcase one more. I'll just try to publish this one. Before that, save this one as a part of the demo. So see here. The report has been successfully published to the cloud services, where the customer is going to view your report into the services part. Okay, let's try to open it. So if you can observe this, they can easily, without any data, fields information and all the developer activities, they can try to view the report in this user interface. Okay, where we can provide an access to them. They can take their business decisions accordingly as per the regions, or else the country wise, or else is the based on the product wise. The values is getting interacted, and they can take their business decisions in this part. Okay, so this simple it is, and I'm ready to take your queries if you have anything. As a part of the first demo session, I'm just trying to show this part. And if you have any questions, please raise your hand and please let me know. So as a part of this course content and all, I'll just try to show you what are the visuals that we are going to build. So see here. I hope you are able to see my screen. It's coming in the two phases, phase 1 and phase 2, as a part of the live training program. So in the phase 1, I'm just to navigate you through the initial basics to the advanced topic in the phase 1 and phase 2, where the course scenario and everything has been represented here as a part of, like, it is in detail explanation about the M functions, as well as, so as per the product